everyone, welcome back. In this video we're going to learn the use of cat cat command. The command is used to print the contents of a text file on the terminal or to add some contents or writing or text into a text file. So let's say I have this file named data.txt available on the desktop. Has these contents, and I am currently working from desktop, right? You can see the location here. Now if I use this command, I type cat, then I type the name of the command of the file and hit enter, the contents of the file will be printed. Talking about the other use, that is to add some data. Let's say the file tst.text is not created. I want to create that file and put some data into it. So following is the way to do that with the help of cat. I write cat, then I write greater than sign, then I write the name of the file I want to add data to, hit enter. Now the terminal will enter the text editor uh, format. Now, whatever I'm going to write, it's going to be saved into that file. Let's say I write hello world, right? On the next line, I write my name, Hamza. Now, if I want to save these two lines, I have to press enter twice. After that, I'm going to press Control and C. So now the contents are saved in this file. Open it up. We can see that the contents are present here. I can use the cat command to check that as well. If I remove this, contents would be printed on the terminal. So that is it for this video. Let's meet in another.